It has been a week since spring break ended, and we are back here at the park to take a look at every change that has happened since, and there are a lot. So let's get straight into it, starting over towards the right side of the park. Over here by the front gate Dippin' Dot stand, they are replacing all of the pavers to make all of the pathways unified within the front gate area. As you guys can see, Pandemonium has returned to about 4 to 5 train operations since spring break, and with a bit of a surprise too. They have repainted one of the cars to be purple to match the track, and it looks great. I really hope they get this done to all of the cars here on Pandemonium soon. Over here in Boomtown, Mini Mine Train is still closed over here with no train on the track except for that old chassis that's been sitting in there for years. But over here, Runaway Mine Train has actually reopened. It does look like the ride is currently on one train, when the trains do look a little bit nicer actually. They look more silver instead of that gold and that black. There's the other train, so that's probably the train that they're getting on here next, but it is currently on one train operations here at Mine Train. As I mentioned, Mr. Freeze has reopened since spring break, but reverse train is still not operational right now. And they finally have the fast lane wait time signs open here for most rides here in the park. It says there's an 85-minute wait time with a 30-minute fast lane line. So we're gonna go confirm that because I would like to ride Mr. Freeze. It's been a couple of weeks.
Most importantly, enjoy your ride. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye. Ride yourself, we don't fall, don't feel me, nothing in advance, staying on time, your base here, most importantly. That's too bad, you guys are all clear. Bye. Welcome back to you on the next ride.
Just got off of Mr. Freeze. It is running so good today. So glad to have this back running at the park. Unfortunately, Sidebe is closed right now, as you guys saw. It was about a 15 to 20 minute wait. It was not too bad, especially for fast lane with how busy the park is today. But it is running great. It is so much quieter going up and down that spike. You cannot really see it that well, but the fast lane wait time sign is up here at Batman. It is in the sun, so it's very dark, but if you are able to see it, the current wait time for the standby line is not available, and that's most likely why. One of the biggest changes here at Six Flags Over Texas is that they are now offering a free haunted house that you can walk through, I believe, May 11th is what the sign said at the front of the park. And it's really cool that they have decided to do this because it is very popular, and I've heard some very good reviews of it. We will probably go through sometime before it shuts down, just not today. One of the things I do want to do while I am here today is take a ride here on Judge Roy's Scream, because throughout the off-season they have done some retrack work to it. Just got off of Judge Roy's Scream. It is running pretty well. The only part of the ride that I could really tell that had been retracked was the very bottom of the first drop. It is noticeably smoother compared to the rest of the ride, but it is still running pretty good. I was in a non-wheel seat, so that probably played a part in that. And then, of course, Judge Roy is still on one train operations. And of course, we've got some brand new merchandise over here in the roller coaster area, notably for Texas Giant. And this is very similar design to the Titan one, although it looks quite a bit more realistic to the actual ride. I actually really do like that design. It's pretty nice. And of course, they have the license plate design, which is pretty cool. They have them in all kinds of different shirt colors and shirt styles. Just got off of a very refreshing ride here on the Flume. It is running great. One of the things that I did notice is that both of these steam engines are kind of parked behind the Flumes, and they are almost stripped down entirely. So I am excited to see how they return. One of the things that I really hope they keep is the steam engine aspect of it, because I know a lot of parks have moved over to gas powered. So hopefully they stay steam engines. This is kind of a new sight to see. New Texas Giants line is not bad at all, especially for how bad it was through spring break. It's only down the stairs for Fastlane and only back to here for the general queue. Texas Giant is unfortunately still on one train, however, so I can almost guarantee that if there was a second train on the track, the line would be a lot less than that. Even with 2 train operations here at Titan, the line still looks like this, so it is definitely a very popular ride, and today it seems like it is even more popular than Texas Giants. Unfortunately, Red Train has yet to be put back together, so no Titan repaint update today. Sorry, Chase. But we are back to 2 train operations, which means Blue Train has completed its little annual refurbishment. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. All right, we met up here with Ellis here in the back row for Titan. Since last week, what has gotten better here at the park?
Okay, operations is starting to get a little bit better, okay? But we're still bad. I'm not gonna say it's not great, but it's not good either. Still kind of bad, but they're picking up the pace a little bit.
Yep.
So, I mean, Titan's back on 2 trains. It was on 1, but
Yep.
it's back on 2. Batman's on 2 trains now. I think Runaway Mountain's still might be on 2 as
Runaway
well,
Mountain's been on 2.
Overall, most of everything is still on 1 train.
Yep.
I know Freeze is on 1 train, obviously.
Yeah, we showed that earlier on the vlog.
Shockwave is probably still closed. Really, I think that's about the only thing that's got better. And
Yeah. Well, and Pandemonium. Pandemonium's running 5 cars now.
Pandemonium, I see it's running
5.
5 now?
Yep.
Okay.
And the purple car,
Yeah.
which looks great, by the way.
It's the only purple car on that track, though. That's funny.
They'll get every car up to purple standards. Yeah, they will. They will. I don't think for the longest time they had 1 car as the without the wraps, and every other car has the wraps. Now none of the cars have the wraps, and only 1 of them are purple. All the rest are still red. So it looks weird, but it's still getting better operationally.
You have 1 train that's purple, and then the rest are still red, but of course they'll probably make the progress to paint those.
Yep.
But let's come on, guys, let's be so for real here. They should have painted it when they painted the ride in 21.
I know, they should have. I don't know why they didn't. It's funny how we were just talking about how Titan's gotten better operationally when the back row is locked out.
Oh my god. Yo, I take my words back. I'm sorry.
Just got off of 2 rides there on Titan. Rose admiring the 1 train ops on Texas Giant.
First things first, let's talk about how this thing is hauling too much.
Oh yeah, this thing is running incredible today, even with how windy it is outside. Like, it's kind of crazy.
My face was almost gonna get ripped off. Just like that.
Now just wait till Tormenta opens, that bottom of that first drop.
We'll wait on it.
Anyways, as we were saying,
Okay, so I think Tormenta may open on Memorial Day. Maybe Memorial Day week. Who knows? Because I mean, they've already moved pretty fast, and I've been watching them all day today, and I'm like, they might open up towards Memorial Day.
Yeah.
Because of how fast they're moving. Now I'm assuming, actually I shouldn't even say assuming. I'm gonna guess that they're gonna start test cycling next month.
Alice missed something here. This is how you know New Texas Giant isn't new anymore.
Wow.
I mean, I guess neither is Skyscreamer. But yeah, this one says new. That's better. And of course, as we walk towards Shockwave, we don't really want to go any further because it is still closed. They are doing some pretty major maintenance work to Shockwave right now. So hopefully this ride will be reopened, hopefully by Memorial Day, but I feel like that's kind of a stretch, isn't it? And here comes the brand new Runaway Mine Train design. It's nice silver, and it looks like the wood has been replaced, so it looks more like a mine car. What do you think, Ellis?
Dude, the trains look so much nicer.
Yeah, they really do. They're a lot nicer. I really hope they do this to every train on the track, because over in the maintenance shed, as I showed you guys earlier, the train does not look like this. It looks like the original mine train cars. The park closes in about 8 minutes, and we are taking a ride on mine train and sacrificing our last train of the night here on Freeze. As you can see, the other train is in this shed and is not done. So yeah, this is the only train that looks like this right now. Before my phone dies, Ellis is going to talk about this brand new hoodie that they have recently put out.
Okay, so as we were talking about before the cameras got started, this kind of gives off like, you know, Halloweenish Fright Fest stuff, because look at the font. We do love the triple threat. It's on, everything's on the back, including the ride stats. The only problem is, why is Tormenta blue?
Yeah, that's the only issue I have with this. But other than that, like, switch Titan and Tormenta, and then it would be perfect.
Perfect.
Like,
this
why is Titan still orange?
Like, this is pretty much Freeze color, and I don't know why this is still orange, but...
Ellis wishes that they switched Texas Giant out with Freeze.
Yes.
And one last quick look here at Tormenta. It has been moving so fast. As you can see, the mid-course stairs have been added, and they have been working on all electrical things lately. What do you think so far?
Impressive, man. I tell you.
It really is.
It's a matter of time.
Yeah. I could see this thing start testing. I know we just talked about this like maybe 2 minutes ago. Hopefully start testing within 2 weeks. But that is going to do it for our day here at Six Flags Over Texas. I was only here a couple of hours. I know you were here, all day? Yeah, all day. I will be back next weekend with a little bit of a special guest. Just wait for that video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a great day.
Sure did.
And I hope to see you next week. I know you'll probably be here like every day.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.